Hey there! Are you ready to buy XRP on Binance in 2024? If you're new to investing or simply looking for an easy guide, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Binance website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Buy Crypto tab at the top of the page and select Credit Debit Card. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select XRP for the cryptocurrency you want to buy and USD for the currency you're paying with. Easy peasy, right? Now for the payment method. You have two convenient options, Google Pay or Apple Pay. Choose whichever one you prefer and hit Confirm. Then click the big Buy button. This will take you to the payment confirmation page. Here, you'll need to verify all your details. Make sure everything looks right, and remember, you have a time limit to complete your order. Double-check everything, and if it's all good, click Confirm once more. And just like that, you've bought XRP on Binance. It's really that straightforward. Now you're all set to dive into the world of XRP and crypto investing. Remember, always do your own research and stay informed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more investing tips. Happy